The Paperfox H500 is a compact yet remarkably robust tabletop rotary die-cutting machine designed for fast, accurate, and efficient production. Built with durability in mind, it handles a wide range of materials, from paper and cardboard to corrugated board, leather, and even plastic foils, making it a versatile tool for both industrial short-run manufacturing and creative craft environments. Thanks to its precise pressure adjustment system, the H500 ensures consistent cutting quality across every sheet. Whether you're producing business cards, greeting cards, packaging elements, or custom-shaped creative pieces, this machine delivers clean, professional results with ease. One of its biggest advantages is flexibility. The adjustable rollers allow the use of steel roll dies of various heights, so you can work with dies made by any local die maker. The machine's small footprint makes it ideal for workshops where space is limited, while its low-maintenance design keeps operation simple and cost-effective. With a maximum working width of 40 centimeters and adjustable cylinder distances, the H500 adapts smoothly to different materials and project requirements. Its sturdy construction and user-friendly handling make it a reliable partner for anyone looking to streamline their die-cutting workflow. The Paperfox H500, a compact, powerful, and versatile solution for precise short-run die cutting.